Yes, life is also a greater truth. Even the mind, we understand also greater truth. Because, honestly, in Myanmar language, I already talked about feeling mind, feeling consciousness, perception consciousness, volition consciousness, and other is eye consciousness, ear consciousness, nose consciousness, touch consciousness. Actually, the so-called my mind or your mind is just a series of the process of different consciousness arising and ceasing one after another. But we cannot see the mind arising and ceasing one after another. So we think there is the same mind or the self is existing inside the body. In samatha meditation, no need to understand about the preceding consciousness and following consciousness as they are. You just focus on the breathing, or you can focus on the object with one mind. In samatha, they consider the object is also the same object. The focusing mind also one mind. The same mind, the same object. You try to stay the same mind on the same object. But in vipassana meditation, if you have that kind of idea, you cannot stop the idea of self. In vipassana, it needs to realize there is not a single mind or one mind that is existing in somewhere or focusing on same object. Object is also arising and changing from moment to moment. And also we should be mindful and realize the mind is not the same mind. The mind are replacing or renewing one after another from moment to moment. For example, you hear the song. Hearing mind is one mind. Hearing mind is one mind, and judging mind is next new mind. It is not the previous mind. Now you hear the song. Hearing mind is one first mind, and your mind judge not your mind. Second mind or following mind judge. That is music. That is good. That is bad. That is the next new mind. It is not the previous mind. After that, you will have some kind of feeling about that song. And you can have some kind of attachment or craving mind or angry mind. They are not previous mind. They are renewing and they are arising of next new mind arising. Frequency means they are arising and ceasing one after another during 1 minute or during the 1 second or very short time. Frequency means it is not the same one. It is arising and ceasing in many times during split seconds. In vipassana meditation, it is very important to realize it is not the same mind. It is renewing and replacing of a new mind one after another. Yes, impermanence. But in samatha, you think the mind hear the song and that mind judge that song good and bad, and the mind attached to that song. You think that mind. That is the idea of self.